Hey guys! So today I'll be making slime. My mesh ball popped accidentally, so the thing inside of it, which is the pink stuff, I'll be using to make a slime using PVA glue, and yeah, it's gonna turn out like that. I'm going to be making the slime with only PVA glue and the weird gel from inside of the mesh bowl. As you can see, it's like forming already, but I don't really know if it should look like this because it looks disgusting. It looks like when you mix the salt and glue thing, it looks disgusting, but I'm gonna keep it like that. It looks disgusting, as you can see. My mesh ball popped, so it's gonna look something like that. But mine is like something like that. So
make some.
I
thought you just squished the mesh
need
ball.
to keep mixing it in until it forms into this weird slime that looks like pink flubber. It's not that stretchy, but it is like a slime.
Please, when you want to play, can you just please play in there? Because we're gonna eat now.
Lol. Okay, so we're just gonna teleport into.
Wait! Hello, wait! The video is recording on your feet.
Oh yeah, feet, look at my feet. Okay.
I want to take off the charger.
Alright, so it's forming actually, and it's gonna look something like this. And it looks fluffy, although it doesn't supposed to be. It's really goopy and it doesn't look like slime. But once you knead it in your hands, it's gonna start to become like the one that Andy showed me. So keep mixing until it doesn't stick to your utensil or anything you're mixing with. It smells weird. Alright, so I'm gonna just take it out, and it looks really disgusting, and
Does it look like this?
It will look like that, but
You're kneading it.
yeah, I need to knead it into this weird looking slime. I'm gonna call this Princess Bubblegum Slime because it's like pink. Even though this is 2 ingredients, it's not bad for 2 ingredients actually. Good job, cameraman. You almost made your iPad fall onto the ground. Okay. We can make some more. Actually, it's really stretchy. I didn't know it would be like something like this. Hopefully this won't dry overnight. Am I right? To be honest, I didn't think it would become like this really good looking slime. Like, oh my god. This is better than I expected it to be. It looks really stretchy. It's like this putty kind of slime, because you can't really hear the poking noises as much. But it is really stretchy. Andy, give me yours.
It's not mine.
Give me it then. It's not as stretchy, so we'll call this one a fail.
Just mix it inside.
If I mix it in, there will be consequences. Ugh. Okay. But yeah, okay. So the things I used is this mesh ball, this really bad mesh ball. I need to just just look at that. It's fabulous.
Okay, just